Hello and welcome to Future with AI. My name is Alex, and today we're going to explore all major chatbots available right now, who creates them, and most importantly, what each of them is best at. Chatbots are no longer simple tools that answer questions. They are assistants, tutors, developers, analysts, creators, and agents. Let's start with the chatbot you already know. 1. ChatGPT. ChatGPT is developed by OpenAI, one of the most influential AI research companies in the world. Strengths of ChatGPT. It is designed to be a general-purpose AI assistant. Its strongest advantages are excellent reasoning and explanation, strong coding and debugging skills, high-quality writing and editing, very strong educational and tutoring abilities, multilingual support, advanced multimodal capabilities, text, images, documents, vision, and voice in some versions. ChatGPT is especially good at teaching complex topics clearly, helping developers, creating structured content, acting as a research assistant. In short, ChatGPT is one of the most balanced and versatile AI chatbots available today. 2. Claude. Claude is developed by Anthropic, a company focused heavily on AI safety and alignment. Claude is known for extremely long context windows, calm, polite, and careful responses, strong document analysis, excellent summarization, lower tendency to hallucinate. Claude is particularly good at reading and analyzing long legal, technical, or business documents, maintaining a consistent tone, following instructions carefully. Claude feels less like a chatty assistant and more like a professional analyst. 3. Gemini is developed by Google and deeply integrated with the Google ecosystem. Gemini's main advantages include strong real-time information access, native integration with Google Search, Docs, Gmail, and YouTube, good multimodal understanding, strong performance on factual queries. Gemini is especially useful for research based on current information, productivity tasks inside Google Workspace, image and video understanding. Think of Gemini as AI plus Google Search combined. 4. Microsoft's Copilot. It is Microsoft's AI assistant, built on OpenAI models and integrated across Microsoft products. Strengths of Copilot. Copilot shines inside Windows, Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, GitHub. Its strongest advantages are deep enterprise integration, strong Excel and data analysis, productivity automation, business-focused workflows. Copilot is ideal for office workers, analysts, corporate environments. It's less about chatting and more about getting work done. 5. Grok is an AI chatbot created by the company xAI, founded by Elon Musk. It is tightly integrated with the platform X, formerly Twitter, and is designed as a real-time, bold, and less censored AI. Grok does not try to be a teacher like ChatGPT or an analyst like Claude. Instead, it aims to be an AI that understands what is happening in the world right now and is not afraid to comment on it directly. The main advantages of Grok are direct access to content on X, real-time reactions to current events, trends, and news, understanding the context of what people are talking about right now. This makes Grok especially strong for breaking news, public discussions, and market and political trends. Grok is known for a more direct tone, less corporate-sounding responses, and a slightly sarcastic human style. All of this makes it more engaging to read and closer to the feel of social media. Unlike other chatbots, Grok lives inside a social network, understands memes, reactions, threads, and comments, and analyzes public opinion. However, compared to ChatGPT and Claude, Grok is not the strongest at complex logical reasoning, is not ideal for learning or programming, does not excel at long, highly structured analyses. There is no best chatbot for everything. Each chatbot has a different purpose. ChatGPT thinks, Claude analyzes, Gemini searches, Copilot works, Grok reacts. The future belongs to those who know which AI to use and when. If you found this video useful, subscribe to Future with AI. In the next videos, I'll go deeper. See you soon!